Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video we're going to show you how you can send money with Wise and to Wise, and I'm going to show you step by step. To send money with Wise you'll first need to sign up. We'll ask for your email address and you create a password. We'll also need to verify you before you are able to send money. Check what information we need and how long verification takes here. Log into Wise. Go to home on the website or on the app and choose send. Select where do you want to send from. You can fund your transfer from either an account outside Wise or use available money on your Wise balance. Choose your transfer type. It could be international, which means you pay in the currency of your choice, and select which currency you'd like the recipient to receive. Same currency, which means pay for your transfer in the same currency we'll send to your recipient. Type in how much you'd like to transfer. Tell us who you're sending the money to. If you have their bank details, add them in and we'll send money to that account. If you don't have their bank details, just enter their email address. If they have an account with Wise, we'll find the account they want to receive the money into. If they don't have an account with Wise, we'll send them an email asking for their bank details. Make sure everything looks right by doing a review of the details. Choose how to pay. There are multiple ways you can pay. We'll let you know the fees for each option and how long it should take for the money to arrive. After we receive your money, we'll confirm the transfer via email or in the app. We'll also let you know your recipient know when the money is on its way. The same thing is vice versa. If you want to receive money, you will need to give your bank details of Wise to the other person. This is your name, your account number, and your sort code. And it says in this description, which means if they have an account with Wise, we'll find the account they want to receive the money into. So all you need to do is, if they do not have a bank details, you can use their Wise email address and be able to transfer the money into. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.